How to check sent requests on Instagram. Hi, for today we are back again to our quick and easy video tutorial on how to check sent requests on Instagram. So first is you have to go to your Play Store and then search for Instagram. Now if you'll see an update button there, you have to click on that and wait for it to be updated. Now as you can see, I don't have any update button, which means my Instagram application is updated. If it's updated, we can now go to our tutorial. So you click on Instagram application here. Now it will actually lead you here directly to your feed. Now the next thing to do is on the lower part you will see your profile icon. You tap on that and then go on the upper right you will see three dash lines. You click on that and then go to settings. So go to privacy and then you will actually see here all your send request. Now it's actually not available to some, just like this. So all you have to do, if it's not available, you can go to your browser and just open it to your browser or log in your Instagram account to your browser. Now as you can see, I've already logged in here. So all you have to do is go to your profile and then on the upper left you'll see the settings icon. You tap on that. Now so it will actually look like this, and then you will see privacy and security under the account section. You tap on that, and then if you tap on that it will lead you here. Now all you want to do is to go scroll down until you see the data download and then tap on request download. Now all you have to do to see or to check all your sent requests are you just input your email, and then after inputting your email there, just click on next and then wait for a while and then go to your email, and Instagram will actually give you a copy of your sent request. So basically that is how you check sent requests on Instagram. So that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.